Is your shop running on paper travelers? Do you struggle to track parts? Do you know which jobs are making money? Welcome to a quick demo of Steelhead, the all-in-one job shop and manufacturing ERP that enables you to move parts, not paper. With Steelhead, you get full visibility, see your entire shop in real time, and know where every part is located at any given moment. Profit and efficiency. Get labor time and station times tracked automatically, giving you accurate costing data. Exceptional customer service. Give your customers a smooth experience and a digital portal that shows live order status and historical data. Let's put your shop on Steelhead's digital production floor so you can see what full control looks like. Log in from any device, phone, tablet, desktop. If it's online, you're connected to Steelhead. The homepage is built for speed with dedicated dashboards for every key operation: quoting, quality, inventory, purchasing, timesheets, accounting, and many more. All your shop information, jobs, parts, processes, status of everything is accessible from anywhere you are at any time. And unlike traditional systems that rely on a person putting pen to paper and passing it on to those who need it, Steelhead automatically updates production status across all dashboards as work gets done. Enter data once and it flows everywhere. Unlock full visibility and traceability so you can make quick, informed decisions and spot issues before they become problems. So picture this. A customer calls your shop. It's Mr. Frank Sparks from Medtrick, and he wants to know where his parts are. Well, Mr. Sparks, we have work order 55 with 300 parts that we just received, work order 31 in prime and powder, and work order 75 currently in the oven. Mr. Sparks wants to know, when can I pick up work order 75? Click once and scroll down. The process tree shows exactly where all the parts are. You can see what steps are left. Information is extremely easy to find at any moment. Don't waste your time running out to the shop floor to find parts or paperwork. From quoting throughout the entire life of the job, Steelhead is designed to give you visibility in seconds. So how do we unlock that real-time visibility and data? With Steelhead's digital production floor, powered by the workboards. Steelhead is built for efficiency and ease of use. Operators get dynamic communication on what, when, and how to do their job. When a quote becomes a work order, Steelhead routes it automatically. As jobs move through your physical plant, they also flow through Steelhead right into the operator's workboard. Walk in with your coffee in the morning and your priorities are already set on your personalized visual to-do list. Every key operation in the facility has its own digital dashboard. You don't lose time figuring out what's first or what's next. When you're ready to mask parts, just swipe the top priority job. Steelhead moves the parts into your masking station, starts the timer, and tracks how long the parts are in the station. That time is tied to a labor rate, making job costing automated, accurate, and effortless. But maybe I'm a new operator or I'm seeing parts that I'm not super familiar with. If I need more info, I can click on the green dot here and see all the part details. And in fact, a comment that we hear quite a bit is, our operators don't speak English. Steelhead is built for everyone. Thousands of operators use Steelhead every day. No English required. With strong visuals, labels, colors, and intuitive symbols, anyone can master the software just like any other tech in their life. You can also translate the workboards if needed. Finishing this job, just swipe it out of the mask station and Steelhead sends it on to the next scheduled station. And now operators can continue on to the next job, which is prioritized at the top of their list. Now your production floor is fully digitized. You know the job cost, you have complete traceability, and you can spot bottlenecks or slowdowns as they happen. Say there's a problem with these parts. You can easily click to flag them for quality hold and add a quick note if needed. Maybe it was just part of this order that has to go to quality hold. If you're on paper, it's hard to split those parts. Do you cut the paper in half or run over to make a copy and then have to keep track of 2 paper travelers? In Steelhead, it's very easy to move a partial order through the system. The flagged parts are set aside and the rest keep flowing through their processes. Quality can immediately see all parts on hold, then diagnose and resolve any issues. They can remove the hold, which sends those parts back into production where operators will then see it released and ready to continue work, along with the quality manager's note, or quality managers can document any issues by creating NCRs and CARs. There is also an overview of RMAs, parts failing specs, and failing spec field param values. You can see at a glance the spec field parameter, who took the measurement, and when. And since we all know this is a very dynamic industry, let's have a little fun and say your lead gets a call from Caterpillar. It's Grady Dozer. We need to expedite work order 91. In the prioritization dashboard, it's extremely easy to drag and drop that job to the top of the list, and the operator workboard is reprioritized. No more tracking down operators to tell them that plans changed. Another big reason that our customers have turned to Steelhead is profit and efficiency. When time is money, you need every job, every part, and every process to drive your bottom line. Want proof you're making money on every single job? Through every integrated piece of the software, Steelhead automates indirect cost tracking in real time. Everything is broken down for easy viewing, and all the margin percentages are calculated for you. No guesswork, just instant answers. So how do you boost profits? By running lean and eliminating wasted admin time, by tracking margins and easily resolving jobs. Each part of your process is configured to be as efficient as possible. Use the margin report to make informed decisions and shift workload as needed. You know exactly where you're winning and where to adjust. And as you run parts and check off your to-do list, your data flows straight into the reporting dashboard. You can easily check on KPIs at a glance. For example, here are some production KPIs: on-time delivery, dock-to-dock, processed parts, shipped parts. Then we have quality KPIs. And these dashboards are all fully configurable to your needs with different types of charts, ability to adjust the data here, as well as adjusting the color and size and much more. Dive deeper into where you're winning and where you need to improve with the metrics that matter most. That's how shops running on Steelhead have experienced a 17% increase in revenue year over year. Aside from unlocking insights and visibility, Steelhead's all-in-one ERP software also unlocks an exceptional customer service experience. When you do your online shopping, you don't call and say, "Hey, where's my phone charger at?" You track your order online. Give your customers that same convenience. Provide each customer with a personalized portal, permissions controlled by you. You make it your own with your company name and logo, info, and brand colors. They can log in and see real-time updates, order status, and they have access to things like quotes, purchase orders, certs, pack slips, and other documents. No phone calls, no emails, no running around for answers. The result? You deliver the best service in your industry. Today's buyers expect digital convenience. Steelhead lets you provide it from day one, while your team gets time back to focus on what matters. And to make things even easier, imagine your customer being able to cut down on the time it takes them to request a quote from you, and your sales team spending way less time on quotes. The customer information autofills when they use the portal. They just select a due date, add in a little love note for you. They can select items from a drop-down list of parts available to them and add details. They can attach a part file and click Submit. Sales immediately sees the request come through. They click to view details and can very quickly convert the RFQ into a quote. All the main details are pulled from the RFQ. Then easily review everything, save parts, and then email the customer a full quote with just a couple clicks. 78% of buyers award a job to the first company that responds to a quote request. Win more business, put your company in the top 5% of quoters in your industry. Once your customer approves the quote, just click to convert this into a sales order, save, revise parts if needed here, then here's the work order. And now we're back to production, all without double data entry. Unlike other ERPs that leave you guessing and chasing paperwork, Steelhead puts you fully in control with an all-in-one solution, a completely digital production floor, and a system built for you and the intricacies of your shop. This is just the tip of the iceberg. From dip processing to scanner stations, auto lines, casting and batching, and more, Steelhead digitizes everything from quoting to delivery. We don't just sell software, we build lasting relationships. From your first demo to ongoing Michigan-based support, you'll always be treated as a valued partner, not just a customer. See how much easier manufacturing can be. Book your customized demo on gosteelhead.com today.